Hello, I'm going to Hello, I'm going to my YouTube.com and this is my new magical shop VL-E630H 8mm Viewcam Camcorder from the guy. We should go with today for 100 quick guy questions over here. 100 questions this month. I'm going to go back to AM. This is the place. This is my stuff from ago. to Honey Clutch, she's moved away from Auckland to her old house. She moved to Honey's house from that tenant place, that's all. To cook. It's talking about tenant place. You see, right? And she got no, well, I'm going to take with me, it's like in this part, sorry. And then come to the shop, VL-E630H, it's going to be 8mm Viewcam Camcorder Camcorder. Just go to the Spacing pounds for content camera is from right now, 100 pounds plus 10 pounds question altogether in total it was 13 pounds to spend money from every money please. I see over all day for announcement day. Announcement day, the 3rd of August. Announcement day, and she over this camera, just got $13 to pay. And just paid that money all day in the bathroom after the office, and got this for me instead. So other Camcorder for me shop is going to be old style shop, VL-A VL-A+1 Camcorder is not being used anymore. The other one is good to go. The old ticket door is the cassette door. The old cassette inside the old camera. There's also the antenna gray. Kind of right, kind of fast-forwarded, kind of recording on another stop until right license says insert the cassette. That's the next area. This area on the other camera. Instead, insert the cassette on this screen here. This one coloring and the menu here. This one here. For all swatches here. That's the clock settings. That's the page the clock. To get this from this month in August. Until last year, taking to look top for that hour. Okay. Let's see the camcorder now. This is full camcorder. It's what back to go like. And the camcorder is get the camcorder from guys. Contact to the clouds. It's setting got 2 ways to go. To gain enough money. It's contact to the clouds from guy. You see. I'm thinking this, my class, for guy. Okay, okay. En sinds je ook al kan je zo complete, dan kun je niet kijken hoe het zelf mee in kan kijken. Want ik kan het kwijt. Ja, stop. Ik zie dat het kwijt is gewoon haar. Ik kan gewoon veel. Oké. Oké. Het kwijt. Stop. 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 En right. Wat hier? Oh, dat right al zo klinkt. Dat blijft een keer flat. Oké. En ik wil stop. Right. En kwijt. En toen is het wat ik daar. Ik heb een keer gewoon vastgaan. Oké. Dit is wat. Oké, ik hoor hem. Ook van kwart mode. Oké, mijn klant voor hem. Dan kan je van mijn internet voor te krijgen. Ik kijk hem maar gewoon afwend. Ik heb van kwart ook. Van een afwend van mij. Van internet. En de gewoon kwart ook. Van kwart. Al was. Van even uit tijd. Dus een afwend is minder. Kopen. En ik kijk van kwart van afwend. En ik kijk van kwart van mij. Ik kijk maar van mijn papa. Kan wat zijn. Ik kan weer hier. Oké. En dan kijk papa. Want mijn papa is een UK kort. Dan kan ik ook hier into my UK extension van hier. In de kingdom. Into my kingdom. Okay. Okay. Oh, guess what? You know what? I'm glad to go flat. I'm trying to go there. This is no time. You know, kind of good thing. Yeah? Okay. And I'm going to out until battery is no fun because, you know, een gentleman kan van mij. Ik ben een trouw. Oké, zo'n transport. En top. Stop. Zo. En zo de screen. En zo een shutdown screen. En toen is dat. Ik ben bij buitenlandse vandaag. Gewoon gesprek met ontvast. I'm going to play the two square back here, I'm going to complete some kind back here, and then black, have the hands up the shelf back on both sides, after my camera, hands up shelf back, it doesn't, I'm going up the high, listen to low. Go on these, I'm going to buy, when I was using my camera, when I was de cameraman, terug aan de filmmaker, terug aan de cameraman en cameraman. Nou, opnieuw. Wat was de mail van mij en woman? Dat kent het. Wat was de mail van mij? En ze hadden de camera, want daar is zelf plek, al gehad, al het. Wat was de mail van mij? Dat is niet. Zit op een camera. Dat is not mine. Zit dat aan de linkerbij. Hij zit op de camera. Dat kan dat kijken dan. Dat is voor mij. Op de camera. Dat camera is niet goed genoeg. Dat kan ik bij hier van. Dat is gewoon bijna kan. Dan dat en dat is het. Oké. Oké, dat is nieuw. Ook de systeem. Oké, want we gewoon bijna kan. Dan naast goed van je zo. Oké. Ik ben het systeem. So open now. It's just it. That's happening. That's why she the patent can cover. That's the open tank here. And the my 8mm here, so this is going to be new. With my thumb and can get from that. Go inside. Come here. That's how I get happening. I think from anything else. And then just going to check go. But push. You can check me. So something to check. Put it here. Goes automatically close. And then going to check go. Is to choose lock. To click. To click close. To click. And to click over here. Then to click. And selection. To go close. For to click text. To go safety unlock. Okay. And then insert button. You click open go to insert text. And so the contact go and click in inside the camera. And inside the camera that's a small round coin that way. Inside the including inside the contact go. And then the unscrew the money screw of the small slot. And that way to go inside. To set time. And grab mail from cook. And set time again. On the month. And I'll do this for you. Okay. So there's my new macro sharp VL-E 3 that's my sharp VL-E630H 8mm Camcorder. You can go to Viewcam Camcorder. And this is the only emphasis here. It's to create the show Camcorder. Put the next one. And then the next one. Then here's the show. Then show. Put the next one. And camera that. Just be careful. Camera not end up going in the camera. Then the camera is covering. Then the top. And then this is probably the muscle powerful. The background man operation. This is just power zoom. This is powerful zoom. That's how to link it right here. Go to up to maximum. Go to 15. Up to here. Middle. And 10 times zoom. Down to 0. Then to bring zoom out. To bring wider. Okay, right. Some closer. Come close. To make them to zoom out. To go wider. Okay. That's the right screen. Okay. Let's try zero camera. So, I'm going to go to zero right. I have to take my door. I have to get down more. I should get me smoke. I should go to grandfather. Some chocolate inside item for me. Chocolate cow for me. Okay. Go back and go. I can't tap you. No contact. Go. That's the golden. Okay. There's also one guy possibly around here. It's so quiet here. Come in. camera squad here, screen here, I'm not going to one, into getting off power, and start up, it's just one, not going to one. Until all colors, all different colors into screen, until I need 5 feet to go. So we start up until the screen shut down, until that point is 5 plus. Since that flashing light says back point, it's not 5 plus. I mean, back is getting low powerful, it's low power, and it's not good enough in general. Back point is low power, please listen for camera. And if you're going separate item, you're taking grab main charger for my camera, on battery, right here. You can get 20 pounds from way, because main cartridge and content from this way, from the normal equipment and small powerful way. It's been possible that the car matter adapter is by car is the engine running because it's the video when the engine running not off the engine until the very quick off the right adapter can car comes in inside the license because it go home and then tell maybe see. So how it runs up with the engine. You can start the engine grease and leave it running. Okay. And it's a self-engine. We got all right up until the license is self-starting again. Okay.